How to verify your Facebook account. So if you want a verification check on your Facebook profile, so as you can see, I don't have any check, but I would like to show you how you can get verified and get a check on your Facebook profile. So for that, first you need to go to your settings. You will find the settings from your settings and privacy menu. Go to settings, and then you will find this option called Meta Account Center. Tap here, and from here when you swipe down, you will find this option called so that your profile is verified. Tap here, and here it will ask you to join waiting list. So for me it's showing this, but for you it might not show this. It might also show this like join. You just need to tap the join button, and after that you need to pay Facebook a certain monthly basis amount. So for that, in order to get the verification badge, so you need to pay Facebook a certain amount depending upon your location, and after paying Facebook that certain amount, you will be able to get a verification badge on your Facebook profile.